Now for the height of Shroom cuisine! Shroom steak. First, a disclaimer. This is a steak that includes no meat. However, it's not strictly vegetarian. I will be using different ingredients that will replicate umami, which is that kind of savoriness, that fifth flavor. Some of these contain animal products, such as the honey and the anchovy paste, but there are vegan equivalents you can use to replicate savoriness that you can use instead. Alright, now that that's cleared up, let's start with the flavors. I'm using a mixture of soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, honey, you can use brown sugar or maple syrup, liquid smoke, cherry vinegar, balsamic works good too though, and gravy booster, one of my favorites. Now add a little bit of mustard, I always eyeball it, and anchovy paste, which is weird, I admit, but I promise it'll taste good. If you're squeamish, just use more soy sauce. And lastly, some hot beef-flavored veggie broth, which is weird, but it does exist. You can use veggie broth or even mushroom broth. Cool. Now these are shroom steaks, so you'll need fried shrooms. There's a recipe for them on my channel, and there's a link in the description. You'll only need about half a recipe's worth. In a food processor goes vital wheat gluten, your shrooms, and some chickpea flour. Oh, and of course some more of your favorite grill seasoning. Pulse the whole thing until it gets crumbly, like this. Alright, now add your flavor-packed liquid, and pulse to combine. It'll come together, just keep pulsing. Don't overwork it. Roll it out until it's about 1/3 to 1/2 inch thick. Then you can make steaks. I got this fancy mushroom cookie cutter, but you might be able to freehand it. I would just use kitchen shears if you do that though. Nice. Now oil up a small square of aluminum foil. And you can wrap your steaks in them. Poke holes in it, both sides. Now we're going to steam these babies for about 20 minutes. Flip them with tongs halfway through. They're technically cooked now, but they're better if you fry them up. You can fry them up in a skillet, but they'd be even cooler on the grill. Let's prep them. Dry your steaks. Brush both sides with oil. And season both sides with more of that grill seasoning. Remember to grease up your grill grates with a paper towel dipped in oil. Use tongs. Okay, slap those steaks on the grill. I weighed them down, but you don't have to. Cooked covered for 2 minutes. See? Look at that char. Turn 45 degrees and cook another 2 minutes. Nice. Flip and cook another 2 minutes. Turn again one more time for another 2 minutes. Now they're ready! Serve them up how you like. I like them with a nice green salad. It makes a great lunch. It's also great dipped in steak sauce. Shroom steak is yummy! If you like that, plenty more Mario recipes available. Check them out here. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!